Discover the power of solar at Swap-O-Rama Flea Market in Alsip, Illinois. Visit the solar professionals of Illinois booth. We bring the solar experience to you with an interactive exhibit and hands-on display featuring operational panels and the industry-leading Pegasus racking system, where you can see, touch, and learn about how a solar array is securely attached to a roof. Our specialists will demonstrate how a solar system is professionally and securely installed on your roof, addressing any questions you may have about the process. We offer solutions for everyone. Full-service installation. Let our certified professionals manage your entire project from start to finish. Community solar programs. No suitable roof? Not a problem. Our community solar program allows renters and homeowners to subscribe to a share of a local solar farm. You'll receive credits on your electric bill, guaranteeing savings with no installation required. Special savings for families participating in Medicare, SNAP, SSI, TANF, LIHEAP, HUD, Veterans Affairs programs, and other assistance initiatives. On your next trip to the Swap-O-Rama, make a point to stop by our booth. Let's discuss how you can take control of your energy costs and invest in a sustainable future.